In this lecture, we are going to implement this activity indicator. So whenever our user clicks on the search, we want to show some animation that we are searching for something. So let's import our NV activity indicator. And under my IB outlets, I'm going to create a mark variables. And first, let's implement a variable search results. And this is going to be an array of items. So item is going to be an empty array. This variable, this array of items is going to be our search result. So whatever we matches our search criteria, we are going to grab these items from our firebase and download them as items and put them in our search result so that we can display them in our table view here. And the second thing we need is our activity indicator. And this is going to be equals to NVA activity indicator view, and it's an optional. Okay, in our view did load, let's see, expected, oh, it's not equals, sorry, it's just a column here. So in our view did load, we are going to, let's do this in our view did appear actually, view did appear, and then we say super dot view did appear animated, and every time our view appears I want to instantiate this activity indicator, which is equals, and let's actually do what I'm going to copy already code from our other view so that the colors and the type is going to be the same. So I'm copying it from add item view controller. Let's just get back to our search and I'm going to paste it here. So we just indicate an NS activity indicator view with a size, a type, pull pulse, and then we have the color. And also we are going to integrate the two functions that are going to show and hide our activity indicator. Let's do them right after our animation. Put a mark and call this activity indicator. Then we say private func show loading indicator. And then private func hide loading indicator. So whenever we want to show, we're going to check if activity indicator is not equals to nil, and if it's not, we're going to say self.view add subview, and this is going to be our activity indicator. And then we want to start animating it, so we say activity indicator. I need to unwrap this since it's an optional activity indicator, and then we unwrap this and we say start animating. And in order to hide it, again we're going to check if our activity indicator is not equals to nil. Then we're going to say activity indicator, we can unwrap this and say remove from super view. Say activity indicator, unwrap this, stop animating. So with these two functions, we are going to control our activity indicator view.